Take a ride in 2012 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, remote engine start, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, heated and cooled front seats, center armrest. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.